Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It is amazing. Anyway, this is the Chef Ricardo healthy side, and I also want to take the time out to say Merry Christmas. And hopefully you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Please do not eat too much meat and eat a lot of roast potato and yasha pudding and all these things. Try and balance it off with a little bit of vegetables and all these things. All right. So anyway, if you like what's going on at the moment on the healthy side, just tune in and scroll down into the bottom of the video and watch another recipe we love. Merry Christmas and a happy new year. Me love you all, and hopefully in the new year we can do some great and powerful healthy recipe. Remember, after the whole holiday, we're gonna jump into some detoxing and also cleansing of the body. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo on the healthy side. All right, love you all. See you next time. Bye bye.